Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there are multiple ways to read this, and I am not quite sure how I am reading it or what I am reading into it. So I'll bring it to you first. As I'm bringing it to you, I'm thinking about what I am actually making of it. So let me just bring you the story first, and then together we'll see what we are making of it. So Unilag student receives bouquet of dollars from a crush who wanted to get her attention. So that's the headline. A Unilag student receives bouquet of dollars from a crush who wanted to get her attention, and there's a video evidence of this as well. So there's a video clip of it as well. So let me just read you the story. A Unilag student received a pleasant surprise from someone crushing on her, and it sent her fellow hostel mates into a frenzy. The student was in a hostel, Moremi Hall, when she received a gift from a crush trying to get her attention. There were flowers and chocolates in the package she received. There was also a box which resembled a shoe box. When she opened it, expecting to see a shoe, she saw a bouquet, another flower, someone asked in the background. But to their shock, they discovered it was a bouquet of dollars with chocolates nestled between each dollar note. According to the Twitter user who shared the video online, the dollar notes amounts to 540k. So now that is what this lady received. They said the person is crushing on her, but they are not saying if it's a secret admirer or if it's somebody that she knows. But a bouquet of $100 bills, all amounting to well in excess of 500,000 naira, wrapped up in chocolates with flowers and everything. So this is how romance is done, obviously, if you have the monies to fund it. So now let's see what people are making of it. So yesterday, a guy sent a bouquet of dollars to his crush at Moremi Hall, Unilag, just to get her attention. Love is sweet when money enters. Love is sweeter. So yes, I think that pretty much is, there's no arguing with that point. So let's just read a few commentary just to see what people are making of this. Pokwala Rotimi, what out for your heart? This Mba Nkiru. There must be something special about that girl which the sender want to use for ritual. Fine girl with full Lagos, just give them $1, then go follow you. So this one is not taking it into another direction. So clearly some money misroad guy, probably an Alhaji Mr. Big, almost certainly a sugar daddy, because you cannot imagine that our contemporaries in the university will have well in excess of 500,000 naira to spare to try and impress her. So they're saying somebody that is crushing on her. So it's not even somebody that is dating her yet. So it's somebody that is just looking to date her. Actually, I'll put a clip of that her receiving that bouquet of dollars here.
We're all gonna eat this.
I don't want to video. Take a picture of it.
Give me the flowers. They're cool.
So I'm anticipating what is it. Another flower.
Oh my
So there you saw it. So you really see now that this is somebody going to town for a girl, and anybody and everybody can do this, of course. I mean, it's imaginative, but it's something that we can all imagine if you have the funds to fund it. The end, be careful. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. So that's what the end has to say about this. Anonymous, meanwhile, there are people hungry in his family. It is great to give, but don't neglect your family. So how do you know then that there are people hungry in his family, unless you know the guy, of course? So that's just speculation. Muna Sapphire, and she said if you want to get her attention without some like the shit they sent her, you should not bother. I pity your existence. I don't know what that means. That doesn't even make any sense to me, so I'm not even going to try and analyze that. So I just do a couple more comments and then I'll round it off. Anonymous, reason why girls are low self-esteem, fish brain. So I don't know what that means. Reason why girls are low self-esteem, fish brain. So what's the reason exactly why girls have low self-esteem, and what is the fish brain? The girl clearly doesn't have a fish brain. If it's in one of the leading universities in Nigeria, she certainly doesn't have a fish brain, and I cannot see how the low esteem or the low self-esteem comes in. So really it looks as though this person is a sandwich short of a picnic. This is not somebody that is in full possession of their faculties. A mental imbalance there, I suspect. Juliet Iwono says collect. Iyano Oluwa, it's okay. Later we will hear Ngbati. I don't know what this means, but let's round it off with Vivian Reginald. Now this kind crush the sweet. Those notes reach 20, so this one is doing the maths, just got my attention, dear Lord. So everybody loves a dollar sign. I think everybody loves a dollar note. There's nobody on this planet that doesn't love a dollar note, and the higher the denomination, the happier you are. So $100 bills wrapped in a bouquet, nestled inside a chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, it looks like to me. So now it looks like a man on a mission, obviously, all out for this girl. Will she say yes? Should she say yes? Questions, answers in the comment section. But before you come, give me your thoughts in the comment section. Click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're thinking in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.